Hi guys, welcome back to the daily current affairs quiz from the Hindu newspaper for 1st of July 2023. Guys, in this video we will discuss the top questions which can come for the prelims 2024. So guys, let's begin. Guys, the first question which I have framed is on the Brazil GEF meet. Guys, the Global Environment Facility meet recently has discussed about how to develop a fund so that conserve the biodiversity, which is the global biodiversity framework. In this regard, let us see this question. Consider the following statements regarding global biodiversity framework. The framework was adopted at COP15 to the United Nations Convention on Biodiversity. This is correct. Guys, this is called the Montreal framework. Kunming Montreal framework. Okay. Next, the targets under the framework are mandatory to be achieved by the member countries. Guys, so this is an incorrect statement. This is not mandatory. The third statement says that the global biodiversity framework goals and targets prohibits the use of biodiversity. This is an incorrect statement because it does not prohibit, rather than it can use, but sustainably. Okay, so guys, the answer is only one. So guys, the answer is only one. Here I would like to tell every UPSC aspirants for the prelims 2024 that please prepare this Kunming Montreal protocol. It is a very important topic for the prelims 2024. In this, they have adopted the global biodiversity framework, which has 4 goals and 23 targets. One of the goal is that 30 cross 30, that 30% of the terrestrial and marine ecosystem has to be preserved, protected by 2030. This is a very important topic for the prelims 2024. Further, GEF, Global Environment Facility, is very important because it has been given the responsibility to come out with a fund for preservation of biodiversity for implementation of the global biodiversity framework. So guys, the answer is option A. The answer is option A. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Let us move on to the next question. The next question is on the recent agreement which India has signed with Argentina for securing lithium. Guys, there is a joint venture which is called Kabil. Kabil is a joint venture between NALCO, then MECL and Hindustan Copper Limited for acquisition, development and processing of strategic mineral overseas for use in India. Guys, you all know that critical minerals are not found in India in sufficient quantity, and these minerals are very important for the green economy. Therefore, India is securing critical mineral supply by acquiring assets throughout the world. And you all know that lithium is one of the most important critical minerals, and lithium is found in the South America, ABC country, which is called the Lithium Triangle: Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let us see this question. Consider the following regarding lithium. Okay, India currently is completely dependent on imported lithium. This is correct, because India right present does not have any lithium production going on, although there are some reserves which are found out, which are prospective reserves, in Jammu and Kashmir and recently in Rajasthan also, but still, the mining has not started. So India presently completely is dependent on imported. At present, there is no facility to manufacture lithium cells in India. Guys, this is incorrect. Recently only there was one setup in India for manufacturing of lithium cells within India. So this statement is incorrect. Third, India does not have any lithium reserve. This is also incorrect because recently lithium reserves have been found in Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. So the answer to this question will be only one. The answer to this question will be only one. Okay, so guys, let us move on, guys. Let us move on. Okay, so answer to this question, you see, Bengaluru based Law 9 Materials, an advanced battery technology and deep technology startup, has inaugurated India's first commercial lithium cell manufacturing facility on its campus Jakkur on okay. So this is okay. Let us move on, guys. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about lithium? Okay. It is a hard and silvery white metal. This is correct. Therefore, lithium is also called white gold. Lithium is also called white gold. Okay. So it is a silvery white material. It reacts vigorously with water. It is also correct. And third, it has the lowest density of all metals. This is also very correct. So the answer is option D. The answer is option D. Okay, so let us move on to the next question, guys. Recently, you know, tomato prices are soaring very high, and apart from tomato, other food prices are also soaring, particularly vegetables. Particularly vegetables. In this context, I have framed a question. Consider the following: tomato, onion, potato, vegetables. How many of the above are included in Operation Green scheme? Select the correct answer. So, guys, initially the Operation Green scheme, okay, only included tomato, onion and potato, but now it has been expanded to include 22 perishable items, and now it is called total scheme. Okay, so you see here the answer will be all four. Okay, initially it was tomato, onion and potato, rather later on it was expanded to 22 perishable vegetables. Okay, you can see here top tomato, onion, potato was later on. Okay, total means all the fruits and vegetables, 22 items were added to it. So answer will be all of the above. Last question is on the South China Sea. Guys, you know that South China Sea is in debate because of China's territorial expansion. China is claiming many islands in the South China Sea, which is disputed by other ASEAN countries. So long back, China and ASEAN countries, they developed a code of conduct for the South China Sea. However, many ASEAN countries complain that China is not following this code of conduct. In this context, India has urged adherence to the 2016 ruling favoring Philippines in the South China Sea. So guys, in this context, I framed a question. Consider the following: Paracel Islands, Spratly Islands and Kuril Islands. How many of the disputed islands are in South China Sea? So the answer to this question will be Spratly and the Paracel Islands, only two. Okay, Kuril Islands is a disputed island between Japan and Russia. Japan and Russia. So this will not be in South China Sea. So the answer is only two. So the answer is only two. Answer is B, only two. You can see here these are the Paracel Islands and this is the Spratly Islands, which is basically contested by Philippines. So in this context, this South China Sea becomes very, very important from the mains perspective also. Why South China Sea is very important? Why South China Sea is very, very important? So guys, if you like these questions, please do prepare these topics. Just not the questions, please prepare these topics. These topics are very important for the prelims examination next year. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.